Hey guys, happy 4th of July. Hope everyone is enjoying your festivities, whether it's picnics or parties or just a night on the town with the family or kicking it in your front yard or backyard watching some festivities that might be close by to where you live. Be careful out there. There's people shooting off fireworks and well, things can happen, and I would hate to see anything happen to any of my friends out there. So I'm wishing you all a very healthy and happy and safe 4th of July. And now we'll get to my video. Hey guys, if you like my video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed, please click the subscribe button below and be sure to ring the bell so you can be notified of all new videos as I put them out. Okay. $2.30. Okay, peeps, getting ready to do my weigh-in. It's Thursday, July 4th. I woke up a little after 4. Alexa, what's today's date and time?
It's 4:24 p.m.
Alexa, what's today's date?
Today is Thursday, July 4th. Happy 4th of July.
Thank you, Alexa.
Of course.
So, I'm down out of the 230s.